cool. So I'm gonna with that, well, not with the spatula yet, because I don't want to mess with the breading. Let me take a quick look. So you can, I don't know how close you can tell, but this side is looking good. Needs more time though. This side is still not brown yet, and then this side needs more time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate everything, because down here is where all the butter and the oil collected. So I'm gonna just try and I'm gonna so right now the heat's here, and since this has been, I'm gonna rotate this but this way, because the heat has been on that side the whole time. So here, like if you could see the heat, it's cooking this right here. So it's not so much working this side, it's more so getting this together. And then like I said, I'm kind of just making sure that all the pieces get some butter in there. Okay, so we're almost ready. So our oven is, I can feel the heat, I'm sweating over here. So I'm gonna flip everything. Let me see one more time. Yep. Yep, okay. So let me flip these guys. There we go. Nice and flipped. Okay. So now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna try, so the thing with these is on the first go, there's plenty of butter to go around, but butter and oil. But once you flip it, it's almost like most of it stays here. So you kind of gotta play with it a bit. Kind of like what I did in the earlier ones. I'm gonna turn this, because right now the heat's in the middle. And I'm gonna just spin everything so that the outside part and the inside part all get a nice feel of the heat. Good. And I also might have needed to wait a little bit longer, but it's okay. So you can see there's still some of that butter in there. So cool. Alright, so the first one is when it takes usually a little bit longer. I'm not gonna mess with this too much, but I just want to take a quick peek. Let's see. This one's already looking good. This one needs more. This one needs a little. Actually, that one looks pretty good too. So the one that needs the most work right now is this guy. Let's see if I can show you. See how it's kind of like whitish still? I'm gonna let that go for a little bit longer. Oops. I try not to use a spatula though, because I kind of jacked I nicked on the previous ones, I kind of nicked the breadcrumbs a little bit. Yeah, so see, this needs a little bit, a tiny bit more time. Same with this guy. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this one sit a little bit, and then I'm going to bring everything together again. So I'm going to spin this so I can let the inside part cook again. Spin this. And you know what? Those guys at the restaurants, when they're cooking these up, I can see how well, first of all, they're using, really legit equipment, but even without, I'm just making a batch, so it's taking me longer. But either way, you know, those guys whip these out so quick. So anyways, here's the last ones. Done with this. We're done with basically all of this. Move this over. And then we're gonna bring this guy over here. Actually, yeah. Bring this guy back here. And then we'll do the last parts. So I'm gonna go back.